So today you're going to draw pivot arm in 3D and then project those views in orthographic in standard order, top, front, and right. So go to AutoCAD, and by default you will be in the top view, and at the gear click on the arrow next to it and go to 3D modeling. And we're going to start the drawing in front view. Use the layer, center layer, to draw a reference line. And you can start at 10, 10. The reference line is 7.12. Go to object layer. And on the left end of the line, draw a circle. Since diameter is given, you can select the diameter circle. The first circle is 2 diameter. And there's another circle, 3.38. There are 2 circles on the other end. The first one, 1.38, and the second one, 2.62. Draw a line from tangent to tangent of the circle. Click the line, press Ctrl on the keyboard and right click on the mouse and click on tangent. And then same thing, press Ctrl, right click, click on tangent and grab the tangent point. And now you can simply mirror that. Type MI for mirror. Select the line that you want to mirror and then click on the line of symmetry, and then at any other point on line of symmetry, press enter. Now click on home icon. And using press pull tool, we don't need this center line anymore, we can delete it. Use press pull tool to pull this element by 0.375, and then navigate to other side, and then use press pull 0.375 on the other side. As you can see, that is the center line of it, and to make it total 0.75 width, you are going to project 0.37 on both sides. Now for the circles, the projection is total 2 inches, 1 inch on this side and 1 on the other. Press pull, hover in between those 2 circles. When they're highlighted, then pull it 1 unit. Orbit on the other side, and then press pull 1 unit to the left. Press pull again this circle, and the width of that is 0.675 on one side and then 0.675 on the other side. Now you can use union to unite all these objects, and you can move the object away from the 2D geometry, and we don't no longer need this, and we no longer need this, so you can delete that. And now you can go to the layout, go to the view, click on base, from outer space, and then click once for the front view, and over here you can adjust the scale, and the scale is 0.25, and that one looks too small, so I'm going to type 0.375 and go on the top. And then enter again. As you can see, I have the names of the view, top, front, and right in the correct order as part of my template, and that size is 0.125 for the text height. Click on the isometric view and then edit view, hidden lines, and make that shaded with visible lines. Now at this point you can change the geometry. Click on this one also and make that to invisible lines. You can go back to drafting and annotation interface, and over here go to the dimension layer. There are a few dimensions, from the center of the circle to the center of the circle, the main dimension, and then width, and diameter dimension for the circles. Make sure to update the title of the drawing, and the scale is 1 to 1.5. Update the date as well, and that would be all. Go ahead and send the PDF. And that's all for today. Your time. Happy drawing.